Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you to fix a problem with WhatsApp. As you can see, this is my Galaxy S10 Plus. All it doesn't really matter the device once you have WhatsApp installed. Alright, so right away unlocking the device that's demonstrating the issue right now. So if you go to WhatsApp and you check out your status, as you can see here, it shows that I have a status that's giving this error that says my status, and it says couldn't send, and of course it will indicate that something is wrong with a status that you have tried to load. And of course, if you check it out here, it says couldn't send, and of course that means it's not sending out the status to your contacts. That means nobody will be able to see your updated status. If you're having this particular issue, I'm going to show you some tips towards getting the problem fixed. The first thing I want to try, guys, is just go ahead and delete the current status. Do not worry, it will not delete the original file. So just long press and hit delete. So once you delete, it tells here delete status update will lose also be deleted for everyone who has received it. But do not worry, nobody has received it. Just go ahead and delete. Alright, once you do that, we're going to exit. Next, guys, you're going to find a video converter. To do this, you'll need to go to the Google Play Store. So just go ahead and launch Google Play. Once you're in Google Play, guys, just simply search for video converter. And of course, this only applies if the file I was given issue is a video. Most times it's a video, other times it might be an image. If it's an image, simply search instead of a video converter, so search for an image converter. Alright, let's go ahead and search. As I said, in my case, it's a video, so I'm going to search for a video converter. And once it searches, guys, you see this first one here. We're just going to go ahead and install. Once finished, go ahead and open up. And of course, I won't run you through the entire process. But what I want to do from here, guys, is just go ahead and allow permissions. Then you're going to select the video file. Right? And once you select the video file, you're just going to go ahead and select a video and keep hitting next to go through the on-screen options until the video is converted. After this, you'll have two files in your gallery. Simply go back to WhatsApp and then once again try to upload the newly converted video. It will be the first one in the list of the duplicates. And of course, this time you'll find that it should upload. That includes also for any images as well. Once you find that video converter, you can just go ahead and convert. Also, you do not have to use that particular app that I used just now. You can choose another one from the Google Play Store. Doing that in most cases, you have converted the file and it should send right now. Sometimes the issue is with the file itself. If WhatsApp doesn't like the file, it will not send it. Alright. The second thing I want to do, guys, it might be an internet-based issue. And of course, how you can verify this is you can just go ahead and try launching a website. So you can just go into Google Play and try to bring up a website and load that website. If the websites are loading, most likely it's not with the internet connection. But to be on the safe side, just go ahead and connect to a secondary network. So if you're on data, go ahead and switch over to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, try to find a friend's Wi-Fi or something like that and try to connect to their Wi-Fi. And that is another potential way you can fix this issue. So by switching networks, you should realize there's something wrong with your network. Also, if you do not have another network, you can actually try restarting your router or modem. And of course, that might just refresh things and allow you to connect once again. Another thing you can try, guys, is so go into settings, look for general management. On different devices such as iPhones, it will be a little bit different, but the principles do apply. Then go into date and time. And of course, make sure the date and time is correct. A rule of thumb is to automatically set it, and it will actually pull the information from the internet and actually get the correct time and date for your region, which should resolve most issues. If the time and date is wrong, it can actually affect some apps. Next thing, guys, you can try is go to the Google Play Store. Once in the Google Play Store, check out the apps, go into my apps and games. And once you're in my apps and games, see if there are any updates. As you can see here, I have two updates for two separate apps. But if you go ahead in here and actually search for updates, you can update all. And once you start updating your apps, if there's one for WhatsApp, just go ahead and update it. There are bug fixes, and with the new update, what should happen is that you'll get a more stable version of WhatsApp. It's always best to be on the stable version of your app, as the issue might be caused by an outdated version. Alright, so that's the next thing to try. Finally guys, the issue might be with your connection itself and some settings. So good rule of thumb here is to go ahead and do a reset. Now it's not a full reset, but a partial reset of all network settings. Sometimes this will fix issues. So let's go to settings. Next, go to general management and then go to reset, and this time just select reset network settings. Notice it says reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other network settings to their defaults. So you're going to choose the second one here, follow the instructions and reset your device. Notice you will not lose any data, it will only reset network settings. So for example, you'll have to log back into your Wi-Fi and so on. Alright, so that's the last tip guys. If you have any questions, please ask them below. So this has been Ricardo Gardner showing you how to fix that issue with WhatsApp. If you have any question, please do get back to us. And it's Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.